Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of x where 4 to the power x plus 4 to the power x is equal to 16 to the power x, or here we can write 14 to the power x over 14 to the power x plus 14 to the power x over 14 to the power x is equal to 16 to the power x over 14 to the power x, or this divided by this it will be remaining 1 plus this divided by this it will be remaining 1 is equal to, here we can write 16 over 4 whole to the power x, because a to the power x over b to the power x is equal to a over b to whole to the power x, or 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, and 16 divided by 4 it will be remaining 4 to the power x, or 2 is equal to, here we can write 2 square because 2 square are same as 4 whole to the power x, or 2 can be written as 2 to the power 1 because 2 to the power 1 are same as 2 is equal to, here we can write 2 to the power 2x. Now attention, here there are same base but different powers, so power is equal to power, so we can write here 2x is equal to 1, or we need the value of x, so divided both side by 2 we can write here 2x over 2 is equal to 1 over 2. This 2 cancel out this 2, so finally the value of x is equal to half. Now another way, our equation is 4 to the power x plus 4 to the power x is equal to 16 to the power x, or taking common 4 to the power x we will get 4 to the power x out of the bracket, 1 plus 1 is equal to 16 to the power x, or 4 can be written as 2 square because 2 square are same as 4 whole to the power x times 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, and here we can write 2 to the power 4 because 2 to the power 4 are same as 16 whole to the power x, or we can write here 2 to the power 2x times here 2 to the power 1 because 2 to the power 1 are same as 2 is equal to 2 to the power 4x, or here we can apply this exponents rule, a to the power m times a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. Apply this rule, here we can write 2 to the power 2x plus 1 is equal to 2 to the power 4x. Now again attention, here there are same base but different powers, so we can write power is equal to power, so here we can write 4x is equal to 2x plus 1, or this 2x take to left side we will write here 4x minus 2x is equal to 1, 4x minus 2x it is 2x is equal to 1. Now divided by both side 2 we can write here 2x over 2 is equal to 1 over 2, this 2 cancel out this 2, so finally the value of x is equal to half. Thank you for the watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.